Hello. Welcome to a tutorial about the uses of Microbit. For this session, we are about to discuss the applications of the Microbit module into exercise. For instance, we can make use of variables to make a simple step counter. All we need to set the steps variable to 0 on start, add 1 to it every time the Microbit detects a vibration, and show the value of the variable steps all the time. The step counter works by adding 1 to the value of the variable steps every time the Microbit was shaken. For a more challenging exercise, we can make use of the Microbit, RobotBit, and ultrasonic sensor in order to make a push-up counter. So the ultrasonic sensor basically functions similar to a bat when they are using echolocation. One such application for the ultrasonic sensor is a push-up counter. In order to do this, it is important to first search for the sonar extension in the Extensions button. We declare the starting variables count equals 0 and position equals down. Finally, we display the value of count. The On Press A button resets the value of count to 0. Now for the tricky part, which is the logic displayed in the forever portion. With that, we should set these parameters for the sensor as follows. Ping trig to PO, echo to P1, and the unit to inches. The first if statement executes if the distance value detected by the sensor is less than 2 inches and that position is still down. Under that condition, we play a short sound before setting the position to up while still showing the value of count. The position is changed to up as that will be the next position the person will go back to. This will serve as the condition for the Microbit to count as 1 rep, as will be seen later on, since it signifies that the person was able to do a whole push-up. The while condition states that while the distance is greater than 13 inches and the position is still set to up, we would not be counting that towards the number of push-ups. This is in case where the person will leave in the middle of the session but has not yet done a full push-up. Finally, the second if statement executes if the distance is 15 to 20 inches while the position is still up, which signifies that the person was able to return to their initial position, therefore completing 1 push-up. In this condition, we play another note, add 1 to the value of count, and set the position back to down again while still showing the value of count. In this case, it signifies that the person has done 1 push-up.
This is the push-up counter. Let's do this.
In order to use the ultrasonic sensor, first attach your Microbit to the RobotBit module. Next is to attach the sensor to the RobotBit. To do this, we must attach a wire to each of the terminals of the sensor to their respective terminals to the RobotBit. For reference, connect VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, trig to P0 and echo to P1. Then place the battery into the RobotBit and turn it on. It is recommended to disconnect the Microbit from the computer in order to avoid any anomalies within the program.